Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, August the 17th, 2010. Well, the market began the first 3 hours of the trading session in fairly bullish mode, and we can see that we have the market making a series of higher highs and higher lows on very large green body candles, so the market was very, very bullish. After the third hour, we actually had a bullish signal with a crossover of the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen crossing above the Kijun-sen, and that gave us a bullish signal, but unfortunately it was only a fairly weak signal because it occurred down below the cloud. Now the market continued trading up until we saw the emergence of a series of fairly small bodies and a mixture of red and green bodies, and that raised some doubt about the continuation of the trend to the upside. Now interestingly, the market found resistance around the cloud, and we know that the cloud can offer a potential support or resistance. We can see here previously where the market has traded down to the top of the cloud and bounced off, found support there. Traded down here to the top of the cloud and bounced off again as support. Now, they don't always hold as, the cloud doesn't always hold as support or resistance. We can see here we had a very bearish candle with the market trading significantly down through there. So the way that we should approach this is that if we have some indecisive type candles or a change of sentiment from, say, bearish if we're trending down to bullish, then there is the market offering potentially good strong resistance at the cloud. So here, in this case, as the markets approached an area around the cloud, we could see that we had some fairly small-bodied red candles, and that offered potential for a change of trend. And that's exactly what's happened in the last hour with a very large, relatively large red-bodied candle. That denotes that in that final hour of trading, the sellers closed the market in control, although they didn't close in control over the whole trading day. Now, the market is, however, still trading down below the cloud. So overall, we have the market in a bearish bias with regard to the longer time frame. With regard to the medium-term and fast-term time frames, the market is still bullish, with the market trading up above the Kijun-sen, which represents the medium-term, and the Tenkan-sen, which represents the short-term. Now, both of those indicators have turned flat, and that's probably why the market is trading back towards there, because quite often when especially the Kijun-sen turns flat, the price action tends to be attracted back towards there. So there is potential for the market in the start of the next trading session to continue selling off and trading down to either the Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, which are roughly around the 1085 and 1088 regions, and there is potential for them to offer fairly strong support for this market. If the market does continue down, then there is potential for support down around 1076 and certainly around 1074, and then down to around the 1070 level. So there is potential for good solid support down around those levels. Now to the upside, if the market does change trend to the upside, then we do have the market interacting very quickly with the cloud. And as we know, the cloud has potential to offer resistance. So anywhere through the region from probably roughly about 1096 up to around 1103 is potential resistance for this market. So I'd have to say that in the opening session there is strong potential for the market to continue selling off. Now, if the market does trade through the cloud, though, what we'd like to see is a bullish close up above the cloud if that does occur, and that offers strong possibility for the market to continue trending up. That will give us a bullish signal, but the bullish signal will be enhanced by a bullish close up above there. So over the next trading day, in the opening session, we really do need to watch the low of the current candle for a potential continuation of the sell-off, and certainly the area bounded by the cloud to offer potential resistance and a possible breakout up above.